Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be product planning for December. Somehow December is here. I feel like this year has flown by. So let's create some resources. So one resource that you can make is Hanukkah Resources. And there are many different things that you can make. So Hanukkah is from December 7th through the 15th. So that is kind of something to keep in mind when you are creating your resources. And one thing that you can do is Hanukkah math activities. And this product could include a variety of math worksheets and activities themed around Hanukkah. It might include counting dreidels, solving Hanukkah themed word problems, or incorporating some basic geometry with Hanukkah shapes. You can also do a Hanukkah craft pack. This could include templates and instructions for making Hanukkah themed crafts like menorahs and dreidels, or even pop up Hanukkah cards. I feel like that would be such a fun idea to do. And this could also include historical and cultural information about the holiday. Finally, a Hanukkah reading comprehension bundle. This product could consist of a collection of reading passages related to Hanukkah. It could cover various aspects of the holiday, from its history to traditions and customs. Next, you can do Christmas resources. So there's once again many things you can do. You can do Christmas writing prompts and activities. This product might include a set of writing prompts and activities that revolve around Christmas things. It could range from creating writing prompts about different winter adventures to persuasive writing about why certain traditions are important. You can also do Christmas STEM activities. This resource could offer a series of science, technology, engineering, and mathematic challenges with a Christmas twist. Students could be asked to design a reindeer friendly habitat or create a Christmas themed coding project if this is something in your skill set. Finally, you can do a Christmas around the world unit. This would be fun because the product could provide a comprehensive unit on how Christmas is celebrated in different cultures around the world. And it could include informational text, activities, and projects that explore the diverse traditions associated with the holiday. Next, you can do New Year's. So I personally find this fun. And I made a few New Year resources last year, and they actually sold. So that was exciting because I ended up putting it up. It was past New Year's, and I sold some in January. So that's something to keep in mind. But first of all, you can do New Year's goal settings and reflection pack. So this resource could include templates and activities to help students set goals for the upcoming year and reflect on achievements from the past year. It also might include prompts for journaling or discussion. I like the idea of New Year's math puzzles and challenges. This project could feature a series of math puzzles and challenges with a New Year's theme. So that could be fireworks, that could be animals with party hats, anything you want. Think outside of the box. It might involve solving puzzles. You could end up even doing calculating time zones for different New Year celebrations or even working with countdowns. And finally, New Year's classroom decor pack. That would be something that is good. So you could be a set of printable decorations and resources to give the classroom a festive New Year's atmosphere. So this could be banners, posters, or other decor items with motivational messages and themes related to the New Year's. So, one suggestion I have is do not be year specific because you want to be able to reuse these resources from year to year. So, you don't want to have to go back in and edit from 2023 to 2024 to 2025 so that this can be an evergreen product from year to year. Finally, we have Quanza Resources, and Quanza is from December 26th to January 1st. Once again, I think I created a few Quanza Resources. I think I did coloring pages and maybe an activity pack, and I ended up selling that in January. So it's something that would be good to create so that maybe you will have something in your shop in January that you can use and make money off of. So a Quanza history and traditions unit would be good. This product could offer a comprehensive unit on the history and traditions of Quanza. It might include informational texts, activities, and projects that explore the principles and customs associated with this holiday, as well as a Kwanzaa coloring and activity book. You would be surprised how well coloring pages, activity books, puzzles sell. And, this could have printable coloring pages and activities centered around Kwanzaa. It might include word searches and other fun activities that teach about the holiday. I really think, especially when we're thinking about the end of the year, which is why I try to share stuff a month in advance. So you're kind of a month ahead when making products. At the end of the year, teachers buy crazy things. I sold September 11th resources in, I'm trying to think, in December. I sold them in May. So you never know what products are going to sell, but by having easy resources that the teachers don't have to prep for in these seasons where they just need activities and time filling units, it will be super helpful in creating more income for your shop. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the like button and tell me, what are you going to be making for your shop in December? I will see you next time. Goodbye.